exactly how to watch TikTok videos and actually make money online. Now, the interesting thing is that you don't even need to make videos for yourself, right? And I'm going to be walking you guys through everything step by step on how to actually make money online by just watching TikTok videos, which you already do, most likely. So what I need you to do right now is to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. And if I get anything from this video, I want to encourage you guys to let me know in the comments section, say thank you Gerald for this TikTok video tutorial, or just go ahead and ask any question that you might have. I will be excited to answer all of your questions. Now, the interesting thing is that you don't even need any skill or any experience to actually do this. All you need is just your phone and TikTok app on your phone. I'm going to be showing you the rest of the things that you need to do to achieve this. So let's jump right in. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to TikTok right now. And once you come here, we're going to be searching for something right here. So what we're going to be searching, you're going to be finding viral trends on TikTok. I'm going to be searching for them. A very good example is car crash, right? Car crash has a lot of views. So car crash videos get a lot of views on TikTok. So if you click on that, you're going to be seeing that all these car crash videos has a lot of views. This one has over 50 million views. This one has over 17 million views. I keep going down. You're going to be seeing a whole lot of them. Look at this one, 34 million views, 85 million views. So these car crash videos get a whole lot of views, right? And that is the kind of videos that you need to actually use to make this kind of money on TikTok. And I'm going to be guiding you guys on exactly how to do all of this in today's video. If you are not aware of those kind of topics that actually get a lot of views on TikTok, let me show you how to get them right now. I'm going to come here to Google and type viral trends or topics on TikTok. And Google is going to give us a whole lot of this list. So you can click on this one right now, or come down and click on this one, or this one, or this one. It's going to give you a whole lot of these viral topics on TikTok, right? We're going with car crash in this video right now. So I'm going to come back to TikTok and let's select a video that has a lot of views that we can actually use to achieve this. So this one says, I bought a 400k Ferrari just to destroy it. This one has over 12 million views. And if you keep going down, you're going to be seeing a whole lot of other videos just like this, right? So let's find one that we want to actually use for this. This one says car crash compilation, right? Car crash compilation. So let's say I want to work with this. It has over 128,000 views. So maybe it's not the right video for us. I want the ones in millions. So let's go down and find another one. Now look at this one, BMW car crash, over 10 million views. This is a perfect example. So I'm going to click on this right now. Okay. So, and this is loading up right now. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come here and delete from here where you had the question mark. I'm going to delete a highlight from question mark, to my right. And I hit the backspace to delete this, right? So I'm going to copy this URL, very important. I'm going to hit Ctrl+C to copy it. Then I'm going to come to this secret website, which I'm going to be revealing in a little while. So I'm going to come here because I want only people who are serious about actually making money on TikTok to be the people that actually get this website. So if you are serious, just stay with me. I'm going to be revealing it in a little while. So I'm going to come here and actually drop this in here, right? Now let's go back to that video and pick an alias I want to actually put here. So I'm going to come back to the video. The video is BMW car crash recording of police car. BMW car crash police car. So I'm going to say BMW car crash police. Right, car crash police. I'm going to select this. I'm going to hit shorten link, right? So it's going to give me this link that has been shortened right now. So this is actually blurred because this is the name of the website I'm going to be showing you guys in a little while. And like I said before, I want only people who are serious about making money online with this method to be people who actually get this website. Just them, right? So if you're serious, again, I want to encourage you to stay with me until the end of this video. So I'm going to come here right now and select this. So we're going to be copying this, right? And we're going to be using this, but we're going to be coming to this in a little while. So the next website we're going to be looking at is this website called Pinterest.com, right? So you most likely have a Pinterest account. I want you to forget that account that you have right now and set up a brand new account on Pinterest. And what you need to do is just come here, go to sign up, right? Put in your email address right here, put in your password, put in your date of birth, and hit continue. And that's all that you need to do, okay? So I've just set up a brand new account. So I'm going to log into that account right now, put in my email address here, my password, and I'm going to hit login. And this logs me into my brand new account that I just set up right now on Pinterest. Now, once we are here, the next thing I'm going to do is to just come here where it says create, click on it and select create pin. This is very important. Select create pin. Okay, so we're going to be creating a pin right now. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come back to TikTok, right? Look at this video, and I'm going to pause this video by clicking on it to pause it, right? I'm going to come here to my snipping tool, right? Click on this place and select snipping, I'm going to type it right here, SNIP. So what this does basically is that it helps you take screenshots of whatever it is that is on your phone. So if you have another app with which you can take screenshots with your phone, it's completely fine. So I'm going to come here and select this snipping tool. So this is going to open up. I'm going to select this, right? I'm going to put my cursor, my cursor here and select where I want to take screenshots of, which is this. Okay. So I'm going to select this and this opens up right here. So I'm going to save this to my local computer by clicking on this place and actually saving this. So I'm going to save this and this has been saved to my computer. So I'm going to close this. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come here to Canva, right? That's the next website. I'm going to come here and I'm going to type Pinterest. So it's going to say Pinterest pins. I'm going to click on Pinterest pins. So it's going to bring me to this interface right now. So what I'm going to do is to click on here where it says create blank. So it's going to open this interface right now. Now this is where it actually begins to get more interesting. I'm going to come here and click on upload, right? And click on upload files right here. It's going to show me the screenshot I we just took right now from TikTok. So this is it right here. I'm going to double tap this guy and it's going to show up right here on Pinterest. So I'm going to drag it, click, hold, drag it and drop it right here, right? So it fills this space. Now what I'm going to do right now is to come here where it says elements. I'm going to search for red arrow. So it's going to show me a whole lot of red arrows. So I'm going to click on here where it says see all to see all the red arrows that Canva actually has right now. So I'm going to click on this one right now. This one that is free. This one that has these pro things right here are the paid version. So if you click on them, you have to actually pay. But I assured you that I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to achieve this for free, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to use this free one right here. Click on it. Now I'm going to come here and rotate this guy, right? Then of course I'm going to expand this a little bit. So bring this right here for it to point here. Make this a little smaller. Now bring this here. Okay, so this is good, right? Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to come here again, remove this, right? Now come back to element. So I'm looking for a square box. So I'm going to select this square box, right? It's going to come here. I'm going to drag this out a bit, drag this out a bit, then make this smaller, right? Then I'm going to take this up, drag this and bring it up right here and centralize it. Make sure it's centered. Okay, beautiful. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to come here where it says text, right? Come here to where it says text and click on add headings, right? I'm going to say watch full video here. Okay, so I'm going to click this and bring this down to, let's say 40, right? This is black. So if you put it right here right now, it is going to be lost. So I'm going to change the color to white, you know, to make it rhyme with what the text that is above that will copy from TikTok. Okay, so this is fine, right? So we'll have BMW crash, recording of police car, a watch full video here with this pointing right here. So this is fine. So I'm going to come here and go to share, right? I'm going to come here to download. I'm going to come here to PNG and select JPEG. Then I'm going to hit download and this gets downloaded to my local computer right now. So the download has completed. So let's go back to Pinterest. Come here and click on this place, right? So and go here and find our stuff. This is it right here where it says watch video here. So double tap this guy and it comes into this space. Okay. So the next thing we need to do right now is to add our title. So add our title. So we need something very striking and clickbaity. So let me use BMW crashes into police car, right? If you don't know what to write, well, exactly what you have on TikTok, the fact that it's working on TikTok and getting a lot of views will also work right here. So we're going to put this right here, right? Now, the next thing we need to do is to tell everyone what this pin is about. Right here, I'm going to write original credit on TikTok. So we're going to be attributing the credit to the original owner of this particular video. So let's go back to TikTok and find the name of the person, which is this guy right here. I'm going to copy his name, right? I'm going to highlight his name and copy, hit copy. Then come back to Pinterest right here and drop it here. Right, so that's the guy, the owner of the content. So we are giving him credit. This is very important. Now the next thing is for us to write. Make sure you write human verification may be required to watch complete video. Please complete capture or something like that, right? Because there's human verification. So the next thing for us to do is to add destination link. I'm going to come back right here to our amazing website and copy this link that we have shortened. Now I'm going to come back right here to Pinterest. I'm going to drop this right here. Then I'm going to come here and hit save, right? So because this is a brand new account, it's asking me to create a board. So I'm going to come here and create a board where I want it to go. So let's call this car crash videos. Okay. So I'm going to come here and hit create, right? and this board has been created. So I can now save this into this board. So I'm going to hit save right now. It's going to say, sorry, we blocked this link because it may lead to spam. Now, there's a way around this. Let me show you guys this. So I'm going to come here, scroll straight to Bitly, click on create new right here, and drop the URL right here and click on create. It is going to create a new bit.ly link for you. So what I'm going to do is to come right here. You see that I already created one for us. This is it right here. So I'm going to hit on copy to copy this right now. Then come back to Pinterest. Come here, remove this, right, and put our new Bitly link right here. Then come all the way up and hit save, right? Okay, and this is it right here. It says save your favorite videos with just one click. Okay, so this is later. So we have created our pin right now on Pinterest. So what you need to do right now is to go on TikTok, find more videos like this. There's a whole lot of them. There are millions and millions of them, and do the same thing on this particular Pinterest account over and over and over and over again, right? Now, let me show you guys the part you've been waiting for, which is actually how you can make money with this, right? Let's say you've done like 1,000 of these videos. Let me show you how to actually make money with this. It is very simple. So Pinterest is basically a search engine, right? So people come to Pinterest and they search for car crash videos and hit enter, right? They search for car crash and there's a whole lot of videos of car crash. This is it right here. People are actually getting this. And once they click on your link, it's going to bring them to this interface right now where it says, please check your captcha and all of that, right? And how they have to do is complete their captcha. Their link is going to be ready. They'll click on that link and it will take them to that TikTok video, right? And meanwhile, they are getting paid by this particular website. So what is this website called? The website we are looking at is this website called shrinkme.io, right? Once you click on the first link, give you the description, it will bring you to this website called shrinkme.io, right? And this is it. All you need to do is to click on register, put in your username right here, put in your email address, your password, I'm not a robot, right? Select this, and of course, click on register to set up an account. And once you are done, all you need to do is to log into your account. It brings you to this interface. Click on this new shorten link, right? Click on this place. It's going to show you this interface. Copy the link from TikTok, put the link right here, and click on shorten link, and this is it. Now, take this link that you've shortened and shorten it further with Bitly so you can be able to post it on Pinterest just like I've done in today's video. This is very, 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 very simple. And I can assure you that if you do the exact same thing, of course, you're going to be getting the exact same result. As a matter of fact, look at people like you who are making money on this particular website. This is today, and somebody has already made $76.